Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain when you should use Excusez-moi, Excuse-moi or Pardon, désolé. When you learn French, you will notice that we use Excusez-moi, pardon very often. Most of the time, French people won't mind if you use pardon, désolé, but generally it's best to say Excusez-moi when you don't know someone. It's more polite, especially when you are at work with some colleagues or if you have your superior, your boss, and you have specifically in this situation, you have to say excusez-moi, because being polite is very, very, very important at work. In general, but specifically at work, you will have a very tough time if you don't use excusez-moi. And it's different from excuse-moi. In English, you have you if you know someone or if you don't know someone. But in French, you have tu and vous. Tu is for someone you know, a friend, a family member, your partner. But vous is specifically for someone you don't know or someone you have a lot of respect for. At work, also, if you're very close in age with your colleagues, like let's say you are 25 years old and your colleagues are 23, 20, 27, stuff like that, you can say tu, because most of the time they won't mind. But if you are approximately the same age as your superior, your boss, don't use tu. You will get in trouble for that. Always use vous. Excusez-moi, because excusez-moi, it's like you say, I apologize to you. Je vous présente mes excuses. Je vous présente mes excuses. I apologize to you. I deeply apologize to you. It's very respectful. You'll have to use it with intention, because if you don't think what you just said, it's gonna backfire. Also, sometimes in French, you can say things like je te demande pardon. And it's not the same as saying I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. Generally, you use it in English to say, I don't think I understood what you just said. Je te demande pardon if you use tu. Or if you use vous, je vous demande pardon, which is the polite way. It's usually to apologize, to respectfully apologize to someone. You can also use it to say, je te demande pardon, je vous demande pardon, as in English, like you didn't quite understand what the person said, but people usually said, je te demande pardon, je vous demande pardon, when they are quite angry at you. If someone say to you, je te demande pardon, je vous demande pardon, you are in trouble, my friend. I hope if you ever hear this sentence, it will be as an apology. Je vous présente mes excuses. Je te demande pardon. And also, désolé or je suis désolé is the same thing as pardon, je te demande pardon, meaning that when you say désolé, it's for someone you know, you're very familiar with. And when you say je suis désolé, generally that doesn't matter who you are talking to. So I know that French is a very difficult language to learn specifically, but if you have some questions for me, if you have some requests for me, let me know in the comments. I will read them and I will do whatever I can to help you with what you need. If those little nuggets help you in any way, shape or form, please subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.